let's take a look at how you can easily and automatically write your business plans and manage them in the future using the Enloop Business Plan Writing Software. Enloop is a cloud-based business plan writing app that makes writing business plans and creating financial forecasts easy by guiding you through each section of a business plan and then automatically compiling your plan into a business plan document for you on the fly. Enloop even helps you understand if your business will be successful in the future. You can try Enloop for free by registering for the 7-day free trial. Once you've registered, or whenever you log into your account, you'll land on the dashboard screen. This is where you can add a company so you can start writing your business plan for that company. From the dashboard, you can open any of your business plans, make a new copy of your plans, share them with your team, or delete any of your business plans. Click on any business plan you've already created and your business plan will open in the Enloop Business Plan Writing app. Whenever you're working on any of your business plans, you can always click on All Plans to go back to the dashboard. You can also make a copy of the plan you're working on, create a new one, or invite anyone to view and edit the plan. There are 6 sections that you'll enter information into. The first is basic information, where you'll enter important information about your company. Then, product and sales, where you'll enter all of the products and services that you sell. Marketing, management bios, personnel, and financials. You can also add as many custom sections as you want. And help is always at your fingertips. In each section, you can click on Help with this section for an explanation of what each section is about. And you'll see blue question mark icons that you can hover over for an explanation of any topic. Each section has a text section where you add and edit your text. Enloop has a great feature called Auto-Write. Auto-Write generates grammatically correct text for each of your business plan sections. When you switch to Edit mode, you'll see that you can edit any of the text and add your own text, images, and tables. You can also insert over 100 different data metrics from your financial reports into your text. And those data metrics update automatically anytime you change your information, saving you from a lot of tedious text revisions. After you've entered your information into all of the sections, you'll come to a financial reports section. You'll see tabs for a profit and loss forecast, a cash flow forecast, and a balance sheet forecast. Enloop also evaluates your business plan, which you'll see in the analysis section and from the real-time score that's always visible in the upper right of each screen. In the analysis section, Enloop calculates your company's business ratios, which are an important way to understand the strength of your business. Enloop also gives you a report card for your business plan. Then, whenever you're ready, you can download the document as often as you want. Your business plans are always available in your account when you need them. It's good practice to update your business plans quarterly, so you'll always have a good idea of the health of your business and have an up-to-date business plan ready if you need financing. If you've not yet registered, give it a try. Find out how easy it is to write a business plan online. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Enloop's YouTube channel for more videos about business planning and how to run a profitable business.